Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we clean everything around the group head, replace the group head gasket, the one that we have right here, descale the machine through the hot water one, steamer one, and also the group head, cleaning the three-way valve that is in the back of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing the grinder first, then we're gonna be testing the other side of the machine by putting a shot. Now it's grinding on the 4th setting of the grinder, and it's using our old test coffee that we basically keep in that container you see right there. So probably will not be as fresh, and we probably not gonna see a lot of crema. Tempo here. Good. Clean the portafilter, put it in the lock position. Now let's do that. Espresso shot. Pre-infusion and now extraction, and as you can see, it went all the way to that range, espresso range. Good flow coming out of the spouts. Not a lot of crema because we are using our test coffee. Hit the double on this espresso shot, so it should be stopping around maybe now. Perfect. A little long, but we got a little bit of crema on that espresso shot. No leaks coming out of the portafilter or the group head. Excellent flow coming out of the group head as well. That is the pre-infusion phase. And that's extraction, and as you can see, steady stream coming out of the group head, working excellent. Hot water working excellent as well too. Steady stream. And now let's test the steamer of the machine. Once the machine gets up to temperature, the water pump will pulse throughout the entire machine and we will see steam coming out through this one. As the temperature increases in the thermoblock, the steam pressure also increases and we'll see a nice steady steam coming out of the one. There you go, it's getting up to temperature. It's gonna leak a bit from here, or Brevilles do that, especially when you're doing steam and when you use the hot water. There you go, now the machine is getting up to temperature, and as you can hear and see, there's nice steam coming out through the one, excellent pressure, working excellent, and no leaks coming out from here or anywhere on the machine. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.